Hi guys, good morning everyone. Hello all. Am I audible? Is my voice reaching to all? Can I get the responses please? Yes, no? Okay, all right. Thank you guys. I got your responses. So let me share my screen here. Right. So today we'll start from the material. Okay. What we'll do today, we'll start from the material. Okay. So we are going to have one material here. That material I'll show it to you. And we are going to start absolutely from the material here. Okay. So there are many services. Okay. Being an Azure data engineer, being an Azure data engineer, we are going to work on many cloud services. We are going to work on many cloud services that is being offered by Microsoft, for data engineers. Okay, so there are many services that is exclusively designed or offered by Microsoft for data engineers. All that services we are going to learn. All that services we are going to explore. What are the services? Okay, different storage offerings. Okay, like we are having storage account. Okay, storage account. Okay, and this is what blob storage account. Then next we are having Azure Data Lake Gen 2 storage account. Then next we are having what we call it as Azure Databricks. Then next we are having Azure Data Factory. Then next we are having Azure Storage Explorer. Okay. Then next we are having uh, Azure Synapse Analytics. Then Azure Stream Analytics. Okay. Then we are having different types of offering in storage accounts, that is page blob, okay, append blob, blob, okay, different services, like, in storage offerings we are getting like table queue storage services, table storage services, queue storage services, okay, file share storage services, etc., etc. The list just goes on, guys. The list just goes on. In the syllabus sheet, I have given each and every single thing. In ADF, in Azure Data Factory, we are going to learn many activities, many controls. In Azure Databricks, we are going to perform multiple validations, and then we are going to get the data from the source system. We are writing the PySpark. We are writing the Python scripting here. Okay. PySpark script we are going to write here. Like this, many services are there that we are going to learn as part of this Azure data engineering. And this all services is being offered by Microsoft, is offered by Microsoft for data engineers. That all we are going to learn, guys, on a very high level. I have just told this. Okay, if you want it, you can get all these things in the syllabus. I believe every one of you have taken the syllabus PDF, right? Lift and shift of lift and shift of data. Yeah, migrations we are doing here. Data migrations we are doing. Data migrations. Okay, we are doing database migrations also we are doing. Okay, here in data migration we are covering different types. Forward migration we are covering. And then reverse migration we are covering. Then platform migration we are covering. This we are covering. This we are taking care of. And same database migrations also we are doing. Okay, so how we can migrate the databases from on-premises to public cloud and all this, all we are covering. This many things are there. Okay, so what we'll do today, we'll start from the material. Absolutely from the material we'll start today. So if I go here, if I open this document, okay, DP203 Azure Data Engineering Study Material. Okay, this material is the one which we are going through. Okay, all the classes, guys, and see in this material we have kept all the topics. See here, all this is the topics. I'm going to give you this material. Soft copy of this material I'm going to provide you. Okay, so in this material you can see we are having all the topics here clearly mentioned. Every single thing I have given in detail, in brief. So you are going to get this material, and from this material we are going to do all the labs from this material is actually very big. See, this material is very big. Here we are covering variety of different concepts. Okay, for building blocks of ADF, these are blah blah. Plenty of things are there in this material. See, this throughout the classes we are going with this material only. Okay, implementation steps and everything is. Are you guys able to see my screen? This material I'm going to share hopefully next week. Once we lock the batch, then I'm going to share this material with all the students. Okay, key vault is there, security implementation is there, variety of different things, guys, that all we are going to cover. GitHub also we are going to cover. How we are going to integrate Azure Data Factory with GitHub account. Okay, how we can, create the pipelines, how we can see branches, how we can do the commits, pull request. Okay, creation of the GitHub account, integration of the ADF with GitHub. Okay, and automations also we are covering here for GitHub pipelines, for these ADF pipelines and all. Many things are there, guys. If you see in the syllabus sheet, you will come to know many things are there. That what I have written, that is just a very little. Okay, next we are having data flows in Azure Data Factory. Okay, so this is completely a different area. This is completely a different area in ADF. Okay, so ADF is actually going to be very big for us. We are going to have many classes on ADF. Okay. Inline data sets in ADF, different types of transformations that we are going to have in ADF. Okay. Implementation of data flow using source select, a variety of different transformations we are covering. This is all we are going to cover. Okay, guys, is that clear? Now we are having data breaks. Okay. See, plenty of concepts we are having. All this material, you are going to get it. All this material, you are going to get it here. Okay. All right. So this is the material. And again, one more material we are going to have for Synapse Analytics and Azure Stream Analytics. Okay. So in this material, we are having approximately how many? 153 pages. Okay. SQL queries we are covering here. SQL components we are covering in detail. Okay. SQL queries from basic to advanced level we are covering, like, stored procedures, triggers, functions, and subqueries, inline queries, common table expressions. Many things we are covering in SQL as well, SQL scripting and all. Fine. So being an Azure data engineer, you should be having little knowledge in SQL also, because the SQL is also very much needed as an Azure data engineer. Okay. So what we'll do, guys, as I have promised, everything will start from the scratch. Okay. Everything will start from the scratch. Okay. In the first demo class, I have told it very clearly, right? In the first demo class, I have told it very clearly that everything will start from the scratch. See, these are the class details, guys. Okay, this is the first class demo. link. This is the second class demo link, and this is the third class demo link. Okay. So I request all of you to please take these links. Okay, keep it safe somewhere. And this is the previous classes recordings link. Okay, day 1, day 2, day 3. Please, everyone save these links. Keep this link somewhere in your laptop safe. You can go through these recordings on daily basis. We are going to provide these links to all of you so that it will be helpful for you to get it. Okay, the previous concepts. All right, fine. So shall we start from the material now today? Okay, fine. So what is this here? See, understanding different cloud models or cloud deployment models. Okay, different cloud deployment models that what we are having. There are three ways that we can deploy our cloud applications or data. We can maintain, manage the data in the cloud applications in three different ways. What is that? Public cloud, private cloud, or on-premises and hybrid cloud. Right? These are the three different cloud deployment models we are having. These are the three different cloud deployment models we are having. What is public cloud here? Guys, is my screen visible to all? Can I get the responses, please? Okay, fine. So see here, see what is public cloud here. See what I'm saying. Now the entire IT industry is moving and migrating their applications and data to the public cloud. These days, now in 20 from 2018, 19, okay, from 3-4 years, the entire IT industry, what I'm saying here, entire IT industry means who? Tech Mahindra, TCS, Infosys, Entity Data, Deloitte, all these tech companies are migrating their applications and data to public cloud. Public cloud, who is public cloud? Public cloud is Azure, AWS, GCP, etc. Okay. Now they are migrating, they are moving the data, they are keeping the data into the public cloud. We are having many cloud vendors in the market, and examples Microsoft Azure, AWS, GCP, Oracle Cloud, Salesforce, IBM, etc. These cloud providers are offering their cloud computing platform with public cloud concept. Okay. Public cloud means what? Public cloud means, see, the name itself is telling. Public cloud means it is publicly available. It is publicly available to everyone. Okay. Anyone can access public cloud. Anyone can access a public cloud. Okay. Wherever you are, okay, wherever you are, okay, whenever you want, okay, and from anywhere you can access the public cloud. Okay, you can access the public cloud. Okay, so here, if you see, now we are learning what? Data engineering, right? I'm learning data engineering in Azure. So I want to say here, portal.azure.com. This is my platform, portal.azure.com. And in this platform, portal.azure.com, I have to create an account. I have to create an account or subscription. Azure account or Azure subscription is one of the same thing, guys. Azure account or is equal to Azure subscription. Okay, like to uh, use Instagram, to use Facebook, what we'll do? We'll create an account, right? We'll create Instagram account, we'll create Facebook account, right? Then only we can start using it. In the same way, here also in public cloud, okay, I want to I have to first create an account. Okay, then I can use this public cloud platform. Okay. And this account we can create free of cost. This account we can create free of cost. And please note that 95% of the labs we are doing in public cloud platform. 95% of the labs we are doing in public cloud platform only. Okay. So free account we have to create, and then we can start doing the labs. Then we can start doing the labs here. All our labs, 95% of our labs we are doing in this platform only. In this platform only. There are some softwares needed. Okay, there are some softwares needed. That softwares also free of cost. In the first class, I have told every single thing. If you see the recordings of this first class, okay, please, 100 times we are putting this recording links. Please go through these recording links. Okay, just invest 2 hours. Just invest 2 hours. You will come to know. Because in the first class, I have covered many basic things that all you are supposed to know. Okay, fine. So now what we are going to do, we are going to create a free account here in this public cloud platform, and we are going to do all our labs. Okay, fine. This is clear. Next, what we are going to do, okay, we are going to see here the different cloud deployment models. So public cloud is what? This is what public cloud. This is called public cloud platform. This platform has got many names. See, what is the portal? Name portal.azure.com/home. We are at home page. This is called the home page of a public cloud platform. It has got many names. Okay. This platform has got many names. Some people will call it as, okay, cloud platform. Some people will call it as, okay, resource manager, Azure. Just type here Azure resource manager. Okay. And some people will call it as Azure cloud platform. Some people will call it as Azure console. Okay. Azure console. Some people will call it as Azure cloud computing platform, like this. So it has got many names. So don't be confused. In the interviews also, they will ask you with different names. It is one of the same thing only. It is one of the same thing only. Okay, fine. So what it is saying in the material here, see, these cloud providers are offering their cloud computing platform with public cloud concept. Cloud providers, who is cloud providers? These are the cloud providers: Microsoft Azure, AWS, okay, Google Cloud Platform, Oracle. These are all different cloud providers who is offering their cloud computing platform to us. The to us means the people who are working in IT industry. Okay. And see, Microsoft is launched this cloud platform. Microsoft is a very big company. AWS has launched is separate cloud platform. Like how Microsoft is having this platform. And the same way, AWS is having its own cloud platform. And the companies, the people who are working in companies like TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, NTT Data, okay, Cognizant, IBM, etc. Many companies, many software engineers in that companies are using these cloud platforms. And among all these cloud platforms, the two leading cloud vendors is Microsoft Azure and AWS. These are the two leading cloud vendors in the market. Okay. Others are there, but compared to these two, others are too far behind. Yeah, of course, competition is there, but still, these two are the cloud vendors who is leading the IT market in the cloud computing technologies. Okay. Fine. So that's what I'm trying to say here. These cloud providers are offering their cloud computing platform with public cloud concept. Till now, the entire IT industry, the organizations, IT industry means the tech companies, the organizations or IT firms were having their own cloud, and that is called private cloud. Okay. And now the public cloud is available for all. Yes, the public cloud, this is portal.azure.com is available for all. Public cloud means the platform is available, browsable, and accessible for all. Okay, not our resources, services, and data. This is very, very important. This is very, very important. What I'm saying here, see, I'm saying that public cloud means the platform is available, browsable, and accessible for all, not our resources, services, and data. What it is saying means that don't be in an impression, don't be in an impression as I'm saying that public cloud is okay. Anyone can access public cloud. I am saying wherever you are, you can access public cloud. I am saying whenever you want, you can access public cloud. I am saying from anywhere you can access the public cloud. That also I'm saying. Okay. It doesn't mean, it doesn't mean if the public cloud is accessible, okay, or browsable, then your application data is also accessible and browsable. Okay, this is not possible. Okay, I'll give you the best example. What is the best example I'll give here? See, the best example is Gmail. Gmail. Okay, every one of us is having a Gmail, right? Every one of us is having a Gmail. Agree or not? Let us take for an example. Let us take for an example. Okay, here if I consider Arvind is having his Gmail, Ayush is having his Gmail, Balakrishna is having his Gmail, Chinni is having his Gmail account. Everyone is having a Gmail account, and Gmail is opening for everyone. Correct, na? Gmail will open for everyone. Can I see Arvind's email? Can Ayush see Balakrishna's Gmails, mails? Can Chinni sees Balakrishna's mails? No. Here, we cannot see one and another mails, but Gmail platform is available for all. Now, if I want to see Chinni's mails, then I have to get the user ID and password of Chinni's, correct? If until and unless Chinni gives me, okay, the credentials means what? User ID, password, and OTP. Okay. So until and unless Chinni gives me the credentials, okay, of his Gmail account. Okay. Gmail account, like credentials means what? This one. User ID, password, and OTP. Okay. Until and unless I get to know this, I cannot see Chinni's mails inside the Gmail platform. Guys, see, I'm trying to relate it with very realistic examples, Okay. If you want to see my Gmail IDs, my Gmails, if Ayush want to see my mails, then I have to give Ayush, this is the user ID, this is my Gmail, this is the password. And then when Ayush is making a login, OTP also will come. Then I have to tell the OTP to Ayush. Then only Ayush can see my mails, or else it is not possible. Yeah, but Gmail platform is available for all. Gmail platform is available for all, but not the mails, but not the emails. Getting? So the same thing I am telling here in the material. What I am saying here, see, public cloud means the platform is available, browsable, okay, and accessible for all from anywhere, from any point of time, etc., etc. Not our resources, services, and data. Okay. We must create an account or subscription in the vendor's platform. Means this is the vendor's platform. Cloud is Microsoft is our vendor, cloud vendor. What I'm saying, we must create an account, Azure account or subscription in vendor's platform, and then we'll get an identity with authentication and authorization. Or the identity means we'll get some user ID and password. Okay, we'll process. Okay, process will happening. Log into our subscription. We have to log in the cloud platform. Then it will allow us to create the resources and services, which all we need as per our application and project requirements. Now here, once we create an account, okay, like this, once we create an account, then what I'm saying here, we can start creating the resources and services, okay, like Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, storage accounts, SQL databases, and etc. etc. We can create the resources and services which all we need as per our application and project requirements. Simple lines, guys. Simple lines. Simple lines. This is what public cloud. This is what public cloud. Till now, okay, see the applications, the internet applications, the data is from 1990s. 1990s, we are having the applications and data. From 1990s to, okay, 2016 or 2017, okay, every IT company, okay, every IT company has used the private cloud. But now from 3-4 years, okay, we started using public cloud. We started using public cloud. Private cloud is what? What is private cloud? See what I'm saying here, private cloud. See, this is private cloud. Till now, the entire IT industry from decades, from 1990s, 2000, 2010, almost 3 decades. Okay, from 1990s to 2017. Okay, almost 27-30 years. Okay, the IT guys, just hold on. I'll take up the questions. Okay. Yes, cloud was not there in 1990s. In 2010 also cloud was not there. No, cloud launched early in 2009-10 only, but no one was using it. No one was using it. Okay, fine. What is private cloud here? See, till now the entire IT industry, okay, from decades, the IT firms or organizations were having their own cloud, and that is called as what? A private cloud. That is called as what? A private cloud. The IT firms were maintaining these infrastructures, data centers on their own expenses and responsibilities. And this was accessible only for them. Accessible only for them. And they are responsible and accountable if some mishap or disaster happened. Either it's a natural disaster or a man-made disaster have occurred. So in private cloud, what was happening? See, I'll tell you. You want to keep data. Let us take, you want to keep your SQL database in a server. In a server. So that server, okay, when you are keeping that server in a data center, and that data center you have created. What is data center, guys? Data center is a place where you are keeping all the hardware related stuff. See, I'll just show you. I'll go to Google. I'll say here Azure data center. Okay. See, this is called as what? A data center. See, a place where you are keeping your complete hardware. A place where you are keeping your complete hardware. Why the image is not getting open here? Ah, See, Microsoft first cloud data center region in Israel. Okay. So this is called as what? Data center, where you are keeping your complete hardware. Now you guys able to see this image or it's very small? Let me open this image. Yeah, see, this is a data center. See, this is all the hardware components. Okay. So when you are keeping your databases, your data inside a server, and that server is actually kept here in a data center, and this data center is created, is established by the company. Like, let us take Infosys. Infosys is a company where Infosys is completely creating, maintaining this hardware, this complete data center. Then that is called as what? A private cloud. We call it as what? A private cloud. Infosys maintaining this complete hardware, complete data center. Infosys has put their own expenses, put their own money from their pocket. Then that is called as what? A private cloud or on-premises. Private cloud or on-premises is one of the same thing. But now Infosys and all, Tech Mahindra and all, what they are doing, now they are not establishing these data centers on their own expenses. They are not taking the responsibility of all these things. Instead of that, they are either using Microsoft Azure or they are using AWS cloud. That's why when they are using this, then we call it as what? Public cloud. When Infosys is creating this complete data center on their own, then this data center is only accessible to Infosys employees, Infosys people. Like this, Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is also one company, and Tech Mahindra is also developing applications data and all. Then Tech Mahindra is also creating this data center on their own expenses in different places across the country, across the globe. Then that is called as private cloud for Tech Mahindra, because that is accessible. This is accessible. These servers, this data, databases, whatever you are keeping here, that will be accessible only to Tech Mahindra employees. Then that is called as what? Private cloud. Guys, is that clear or not? Am I getting? Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Can I get the responses? Can I get the responses? Is that clear? Any questions, please? See, guys, completing the syllabus is not our target. Okay. See, I'll put the point here very clearly. Completing the syllabus is not our target. Okay. We want you to understand. We want you to understand, okay, each and every concept crystal clear. Want you to understand each and every concept crystal clear. That is what we are looking for. Please don't be shy. Don't be shy. Please be open. Please be open very clearly if you are not understanding anything. See, guys, I'll tell you one thing. Okay. Your career, okay, your life, your family, your responsibilities is with you. He is with you. Don't think about others. Okay. If I ask the stupid questions, might be people, will laugh at me, or they will feel like, oh, this candidate even doesn't know this or this much also. Don't feel like this. I was also a very shy student in my time. Okay. So this is that you have to answerable No one is going to take care of your career, your life, your family. You are the one who has to feed your family. Okay. Is that clear? What is this Sri Lanka? Public cloud also provide private server links to the companies uh, to provide private cloud, right? Yes, yes, yes. This is correct. This is also possible, Sri Lanka. I don't want to go here right now. People will get confused. If you're having this knowledge, then it's good. Okay, fine. Manoj Kumar, if the concept of cloud was not there till 2017, why the world private cloud termed as it was on premises? Because why the term as it was on premises? Because whichever company developing the IT projects, that company is establishing the data center on their own, either in the same country, mostly in the same country. See, example I'll give you, Manoj. If Infosys is working for any US client, Infosys is working for any US client, then for that complete project, the data center, the infrastructure, Infosys is supposed to create in US only, not in India. Not in India, in US only, somewhere. And that's why we are calling it as what? On premises. If any company, let us take Tech Mahindra, is working for any of the European clients, okay, then they used to establish, okay, the data center on their own region, and even the client will also insist to have the data center in their own country, in their own place. Okay, fine. This is what how it is. Next, we are having what? Hybrid cloud. What is this hybrid cloud? See, hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private cloud. It's a combination of public and private cloud. Example, let us understand this with an example. Let us say our front-end application server are hosted in cloud as public and database servers are in on-prem. Now using VPN, virtual private network, will connect from our backend servers to front-end servers. And this type of setup and scenarios is called as what? Hybrid cloud. See, I'll give you example. This is one application. Okay, let us take online.sbi.com. This is what one website. This is one website. Okay, correct. What is the website? Online.sbi.com. Okay, this is the website I'm having right now. This is the website. Correct. This is the website. Now, what is happening here? This website we have hosted on top of cloud server. Okay, or this website is sitting on top of cloud server. When we are creating a virtual machine, when we are creating a virtual machine server, when we are creating a virtual machine in the cloud platform, okay, then we call it as what? Public cloud. Correct, na? So when this website is hosted or kept on top of cloud server, then this is in the public cloud. This is in the public cloud. Correct? Now, to log into this website, okay, to log into this website here now, if anyone wants to make a login to this website, then what they have to do, they have to pass their user ID, password, CAPTCHA, and OTP. Right? To log into the website, they have to pass the credentials. Credentials they have to pass. The credentials, what they are passing? User ID, password, and OTP. Okay. And here now, millions and billions of people is having accounts in SBI. Correct, na? Many Indians, crores of Indians is having bank accounts in SBI. Correct. So everyone is having the user ID and password OTP. Correct. Everyone is having user ID, password, and OTP na. Correct na. So now this all data, not only the user ID and password OTP, transactions also. See, Ayush is there. Ayush has sent some money to Gopal. Gopal has sent some money to Divya. Divya has sent some money to me. Okay. And Habib has made some transaction. Okay. Let us take, he has made some utility bill. Gopi has made a credit card bill. So this is all transactions data, and also this is user ID, password, and OTP data. Every single thing, when we are keeping all these things, we are keeping in the on-prem server. On-prem server database. Or I'll say here, all this data will keep it in a database. And this database is kept on top of, okay, private server, on top of private server. Then this is going to call as what? Private cloud. Private server means what? Private server means the server which has been created by the company. This server is not in the public cloud platform. This is private server. Private server can be your laptop also. Private server can be your laptop also, because your laptop is your private asset. Your laptop is your private asset. But when you are creating a server here like this, okay, and keeping the data, then it's a cloud server. And your laptop is your private server. So that's what I'm saying here. We'll keep all the data. We'll keep it in a database, all this transactions data, user ID and password, and this database we are keeping on top of private server. Then we call it as what? Private cloud. So application is in the cloud server, database, transactions, data, everything is in the private server. Now, using VPN, we are connecting this public cloud, okay, and private cloud with one and another. Then that kind of combination setup or scenario, we call it as a hybrid cloud. We call it as a hybrid cloud here. Okay, guys, is that clear? Is that clear? Application, what you are accessing, this is in public cloud. Login details, data, transactions, everything is in a database, and that database is sitting on top of a private server. Okay. Then making a VPN, making use of VPN, we are running our project. Then such kind of setup and scenarios, we call it as a hybrid cloud. We call it as a hybrid cloud. Okay, guys, is that clear? Any questions, anyone up to now? Guys, how many of you have joined today for the first time? Can you please raise your hand? How many of you have joined today for the first time? Can you please raise your hand? No one has joined today. Okay. Sai Arvind Bandari. Okay. Okay. So only two candidates has joined today for the first time. Rest all the people are joining regularly. Who have joined the class today for the first time, please raise your hand. Three, four. Okay. Okay. So four people have joined today for the first time. Okay. All right. Fine. So any questions? Any questions, guys? Any questions? Okay. Rabbi Narayan. Okay. You are not able to join yesterday. Have you joined day before yesterday? Okay, fine. So, guys, any questions, anyone? See, guys, my way of intention is very clear that, I will not, okay, I will not focus on the completing of syllabus. This is not my target. Okay. I want each and every one of you to understand the concept very clear. Every one of you should understand the concept here. Hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private. Hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private. You are keeping your web application in public cloud and that application related data in the private cloud. Okay. Application, website. Do you know website? What is website? Do you know? Manas, do you know what is website? This is called a website. Netflix is having its own website. Swiggy having its own website. SBI.com is having its own website. Every business is having its website. So that website is in public cloud and the data related to that website is in the private cloud. And using a VPN, we are running our project. Some projects are like that also. Some projects are even like that also, wherein they will put the website in public cloud and data in private cloud, and they will run the project. Such setups and scenarios, we call it as a hybrid cloud. See, guys, I'll tell you one thing. Okay. When you are learning, when you are hearing something very new, okay, it is obvious that you are not going to get it 100%. I know that. For that, to get it 100%, you have to listen to the recordings again and again. Okay, again and again. Okay. When we listen a new song, when we listen a new song and we like the lyrics of the song very much. We like the lyrics of the song very much. What we'll do, we'll listen that song at least 4 to 5 times in a day. 4 to 5 times in a day. The same point is here also. Okay. Might be you won't understand 100% in one go. Then what you have to do, take the video recording links that we are keeping. Okay. And then we can practice it. Okay. Akash Rajput, Gmail is a hybrid cloud, yeah, public cloud. Gmail is public cloud, ma. Gmail is public cloud. Gmail is public cloud, or your mails and everything is in the cloud only. Okay, any questions, anyone, guys? No, no, no. Public cloud, Sai Arvind, public cloud is 100% safe. Public cloud is 100% safe. 100% safe. It is 100% safe. Okay. Now, if I tell you guys, I'll work for banking domain. Okay, all banks data, bank transactions, customer details, and customers' credit card information details, their credit card bills, all this. And that too, I'll work for European clients. I'm working for, okay, European clients. Okay. Most of my projects is from Europe. Okay. So these European banks are keeping their data into the public cloud. Banks' data is the most sensitive and critical data. That data we are keeping in cloud, that two European countries are keeping the data in the cloud, then you can imagine how much safe it is. Public cloud is 100% safe. Getting anything leaked from the public cloud is next to impossible. Everything that you are creating in public cloud, that you are creating in public cloud, okay, Azure will provide the encryption. Azure will provide the encryption by default. Whether you say, you don't say, you don't want, you want, it doesn't matter. Whatever you deploy, Azure will provide the encryption. Encryption is what? Applying the security. Applying the security. Encryption means. Yes. No. The accounts we are creating in Gmail is public cloud. Gmail is available for everyone, na guys. Nikita, can you open Gmail? www.gmail.com, Gmail login. Yes, it's opening for you. Correct? If Sai Arvind is trying to say gmail.com, it's opening for Sai also. It's opening for everyone. Na? So it's a public cloud. Gmail account mails are private, but platform is publicly available for all. Nikita, is that clear? Okay, guys, any questions, anyone furthermore? Any topics? Okay, guys, how's the classes is going on? Any suggestions, any feedback? Please be open. See, I'm your friend. Treat me as your friend. I'm not a faculty. Okay, this is not something college or university wherein, just we have to teach, you have to take the notes and you have to go. No. These skills, what you are learning is absolutely job oriented. Please be clear with that. This is job oriented. This skills is the one which is going to help you to perform your, okay, work in your real-time projects. Every single concept, okay, every single concept we are going to learn from real-time projects only. Real-time projects only. Every single concept I am going to, okay, every single concept I am going to relate with the real-time projects only. Okay. What is this, Nikita? I think today only you have started the actual content of the course. Yes. Yes. Correct. That's correct, Rabi. No. No. Nikita, that depends upon Gmail, ma. That depends upon Google. Okay. So your question is irrelevant here, Nikita. See, Gmail is hosted as public cloud. And why I'm saying is public cloud, because Gmail platform is available for all. The concept is simple here. The thing which is available to you, okay, from anywhere, from any point of time, from any region or location, it's public cloud. Okay. And when you are able to access it only with the help of credentials and all, okay, you are able to access only with the help of the credentials, then it's public cloud only. Private cloud means the platform will also be not available for you. Okay. Fine. Is that clear, Nikita? Saran, what are the course content that will be covered? Saran, I have given the syllabus sheet. Saran, I think you are joining today for the first time. Course content I have given long back, Saran. What we are going to cover here. Please check the first class video recording. You will get to know. No, second class. Check the second class video recording. You will get to know, Saran. Shalini, sir, your teaching is clear and we are understanding. As you said, we need to listen to recordings and practice. Yes. Without practice, you are not going to get, I'm telling you. This is new subject for me. More examples and short descriptions of what public-private hybrid. Okay. This would be helpful more. Okay, fine. Lalikuda, for me, it's little slow. I can understand you are explaining very briefly to make everyone understandable. Okay, thank you, Lali. Thank you, Nikita, Shalini. For me, it's little slow. Okay, Akash, sir, SBI is available on publicly, but only account is private. Same to same as Gmail, as how SBI is hybrid cloud. You guys are not understanding. SBI platform is public. See, I have given as an example here, just as an example. See, the data related to SBI web application, if SBI banks people want to keep it in a private database, then it will be a hybrid cloud. I have just given as an example. We don't know the SBI application data is in private cloud or public cloud. We don't know. For hybrid cloud, to make you guys as an understanding, I have taken an example of SBI like this. SBI, if you go and ask SBI people, the SBI people user ID and password you are keeping in private cloud or public cloud, then they will kick you off. They will kick you off. It's confidential. They won't tell. I have taken that as an example to make you guys understand. Akash, is that clear? This is confidential, guys. No one will tell you. Okay. Harsha, sir, we want classes on Sundays also, sir, and 30 minutes increase in class duration. We'll see, Harsha. We have not even formed the batch. We have not even formed the batch. Okay. So you have to keep lot of patience. Still, there is a long way to go. Okay. This is not something crash course. Please understand. Okay, Sunil Kumar, sir, are you working in Capgemini? Because most of the European clients handled by Capgemini. Sorry for asking this, is out of my syllabus. No, I'm not working for Capgemini, Sunil. Actually, as per Naresh IT's policies, I cannot share my details here. Okay, but as you have asked, no, I can say no, I'm not working for Capgemini. Joined today and I did not receive recording URLs. Okay, Saran, you have not received the recording URLs. Okay, so we have given the recording URLs till now 10 times we have dropped, I believe. Okay, recording URLs is here. Everyone again, please take this recording URLs and listen to the classes. Okay, Akash, is that clear to you? Okay, thank you, Nanda Kishore. Okay, Sri Lanka, it is slow for you. Okay, fine. But I think someone in the class said that I'm going fast. Many people are saying that I'm going slow, but someone in the class told that I'm going little fast. Who is that person? I think that person is Sandeep More. Sandeep More told that I'm going fast. Sandeep More in the class today? Okay. Okay, fine. No, I got to know. Acha, okay, fine. No, actually, see, many people are going, I'm going little slow here. So I'm not sure. Okay. So my intention is here, guys, to be honest, you should understand the concept. Little slow. See, might be I have seen these comments from 4 or 5 people till now saying that I am going little slow. So the point here is initially, okay, I'll go with this pitch only. Then slowly I'll increase the speed because see guys, many people are we are having in the class which belongs to different backgrounds. Some people are not from IT background, some people are not from computer science background, so they find it a little difficult. So acha. So Sandeep More is also saying it's actually going slow for him. Okay. Okay, fine. So what I'll do guys, tomorrow I'll increase the speed a little. Okay. So our intention is here, everyone should understand the things what's going on. Okay. All right, guys. So see, guys, one more point I'll make it clear. Please understand. Okay. Yes, Manas, you are right. That's yeah, some not some students, some working professionals is also sitting in the class. See, we are having batches, mixture of everyone in our batches. As Naresh IT is, very renowned, very big institute. So in every batch, okay, we are having people, freshers. We are also having non-IT background, non-IT background people also we are having working professionals also there, like, 5 years experience. Okay. For them, it is obviously slow only. Okay. Right. For them, it is very slow. I have seen in my batches, people are having 20 plus years of experience also. 20 plus years of experience. They are also sitting in the batch. Yes, that's true. See, there is no age to learn anything. There is no age bar to learn anything. Trust me. Now, I am also learning. I am also learning. What I am learning, I am learning Open AI. I am learning now Open AI, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence I am learning now. Yes, I am also having 14 years of experience. Artificial intelligence I'm learning, Open AI. Have you heard about ChatGPT? ChatGPT, have you heard about? I'm learning now. I'm just exploring it is. I have created an account, but I learn on my own because I'm having that maturity. I learn on my own. I'm not taking any course, something like that. You guys are kids, small kids. So you guys need mentoring. You guys need direction and all. I understand. I'm very old guy. So for me, I can just explore by myself only. Okay, is that clear? Manas sir, may some students have the knowledge on this. That's why they are telling that you are going slow. But for new people, it will be hard to understand. So please you do as you are. So everyone can understand. Yes, sir. Okay, fine. Okay, what is this, Rabi? Can you please talk about projects which we are going to do during this course? We are going some POCs, Rabi. Like after the end of the course, I'm going to give you some POCs, proof of concepts for every concept for every module that we are learning, like ADF is there, data migrations is there, data bricks is there. For that, you are going to do some live mini projects, small kind of what you can say mini projects here, different requirements that I'll give it to you. You have to understand that requirement, then you can do it. But one thing here, please be clear. You can do all that POCs. You can do that all POCs only after you have done all the labs. Okay, these POCs you can do only after you have done all the labs. If you have not done the labs, what I'm showing in the classes, then forget about these POCs. You cannot do. Here the requirements you have to understand and then you have to implement it just for your hands-on. Okay. All right, guys, I'll close the class for today. Okay. Names of those POCs, I don't remember here, Ravi Narayan. It's actually many we are having. I directly show it to you in tomorrow's class, tomorrow's or day after tomorrow's class. I'll directly show it to you. No problem. Okay. Many are there actually. I don't remember the name. Just remind me in tomorrow's class. I'll show it to you directly with screen share. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll connect again tomorrow. Okay, guys, please be regular to classes. I sincerely request this to all. Please be regular to classes. We are starting everything from the scratch as you are experiencing this. All right. So regular to classes, then only you can gain the knowledge I'm telling you. This is the first point that you have to keep in mind, that you have to be regular into the classes. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. It was a pleasure taking your questions. We'll connect again tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.